even though this 1988 OBS is a really sweet truck, the man who built it is a legend in my eyes. I'm going to show you the truck and talk a little bit about what he does. So my friend who built this truck, well, he's of retirement age, but he is absolutely fearless. He does some incredible work. Now, he definitely did not grow up as his main job as being a mechanic or anything like that, but he definitely has some serious mechanical abilities as well as paint abilities. He is fearless. He has just completely learned how to paint himself. The paint job on this thing, like, I mean, it's black, and look how straight it is. Just amazing. And this is all done in his garage, like not in a professional paint booth, not with a professional body man or painter. This is his work. 95% of this truck is his work. I have the opportunity and the privilege to be able to do a little bit of work for him, which is, I don't know, pretty exciting to be able to do that. And carrying on from the paint, look at the little details of the cutouts in the exhaust. And this has the Valvetronic valved exhaust in it, which is totally cool. All right, and underneath the hood, we have this 6.2 liter LS, and it has a GM cam. We'll put the part number up there, and a 6L80E. The interior, he has modified newer GM truck seats, and it has the coolest Camaro independent rear suspension underneath it. He's also, because of the big Camaro disc brakes in the back, he put Wilwoods up front and converted it to a non-power brake system with the Wilwood master cylinder, and had to modify the brake pedal and stuff like that to actually make it work. And Wilwood was great to deal with on that. He's controlling the entire engine and transmission with a factory ECU and running the dash with a Dakota digital. It's pretty sweet. I'm not sure what else to say about this truck, but when I get to be the age of my buddy here, I am hoping that I still have the same enthusiasm and fearless will to be able to just grab a project like this, tackle it, and build it. And the crazy thing is this isn't his only build. He has a bunch of cars, and right now he is working on a 71 Camaro. It's going to be a very crazy build. Looking forward to helping him with a bit on that one. Even though this truck isn't finished, still some stuff to do, it is just a sweet truck to drive.